For the latest film interviews, reviews, and everything making news in pop culture, subscribe to Film Companion now.
Hey guys, welcome to Spill the Tea. On the show today, Radhika Madan and Sunny Kaushal are spilling tea while we attempt a table read of their film Shiddat. The two of them have quite the vibe and I can't wait to tap into it. Radhika, Sunny, welcome back to Spill the Tea. The last time we met, she made vegan chai for me in her house.
I saw that.
And he invited me for maa ke haath ke aloo ke.
Hey, I saw that too.
Makhan laga ke, which was not vegan at all.
I know, I saw it and I was like, do I really want to be a vegan?
No, what I've seen is that clearly you guys are watching my show. I'm very happy.
I'm a big fan.
Yeah, big fan.
Listen, but have you invited her home for the parathe or do I have exclusive bragging rights?
No, I will invite her once my mom learns how to make vegan makhan. Otherwise, there's no okay, parathe bina makhan ke to is like
That is true. So for now, I have exclusive bragging rights.
Yes.
But the two of you have a very easy chemistry.
Hanji.
And I even watched an interview in which you said कि if you weren't such professional actors, you would be in love. मतलब चल क्या रहा है?
No, it was ऐसा नहीं कि we would be definitely in love. It was just an hypothetical question that is there a chance that you would fall for Radhika and vice versa?
What's not to fall for?
Exactly. I mean, she's like we've become good friends and great friends. The other day I really hit it off with her parents, man.
Oh yeah.
Like, matlab, they're so sweet. So, matlab, all those things milakar, yeah, obviously there was
My
a...
parents are like, कितना प्यारा है सनी, कितना अच्छा है. I was like, मेरी भी film थी guys.
But did you guys know each other much before the shoot? Like, I'm coming to, how do you get to this level of on-screen intimacy with someone you've just met? How?
How, Sunny? How?
I mean, no, we didn't, we hadn't met before that. We just bumped into each other on a screening. And that's why we were like, hey, Radhika, you're doing Shiddat na? Hey, you're doing
Shut
Shiddat
up.
na? Hey, we're working
Really?
together.
Just
This was,
that.
yeah, just that. And then we sat on readings and everything. Yeah, the
So
thing
you
is...
said sat on readings, so I'm going to say, guys, that for the first time ever, we're going to try and attempt a table read at the end of this chat.
That's great. I'm really
One
nervous for
kick-ass
that.
scene.
I'm also really nervous.
But you guys didn't know each other.
No, not at all. But you know what? If two people are professionals and if two people love the script as much and
Yeah.
at the same level, then you don't have to try and make the chemistry happen.
Yeah.
It's just there because I know that he's Jaggi and he knows that I am Kartika.
Yeah.
You don't have to get the other person on the same page. That okay, you know what?
Feel
अच्छा,
this way about me.
Yeah, feel this
Huh.
way. It's like I know. I look at him and I know that he's in awe,
Yeah.
and he knows that I'm holding back.
And that's the chemistry.
And that's the chemistry.
I want to talk a little bit about the poster. It's just damn sexy. What is the physics involved behind creating that?
Well, so
करके दिखा ना please.
यार रोज सुबह सवेरे उठ के जिम जाना है.
How do you do it? Like, I mean, can you show us? Like, what does it take?
You know, that was actually a split second thing. We had, because it's actually a contemporary dance thing, right? So I had to like pick her up and her legs have to be pointed and
Like a
everything.
ballerina?
And that moment, and at that moment we need to have that peck, right? And that was like just a split second.
and cut.
तो
कितने
वहाँ पे
takes
जितने
हुए?
बस कितने no actually we were at it for like
at it
good
for-
15-20 minutes. We were
Yeah.
going at it.
Because अगर leg उठ रही है, kiss नहीं हो रही है, kiss हो रही है तो leg straight नहीं है. So a lot of
There was a lot of physics involved.
A lot
पहले
of-
हाथ उसका यहाँ पर था which wasn't working out. Then she tried other things
I
to
tried
stabilize her
this,
hand.
yeah.
Then this was the
this
poster. Yeah, this is the poster where she's putting her, which stabilized us a lot.
Like
and
I
we
could
do
lift
that.
myself up and he's just holding me from nature.
How did you guys react when you saw it?
I was like,
Oh, I was in awe.
I couldn't recognize us.
Yeah. Because that time we saw the picture and we were like, yeah man, this is a good one. But then the poster came and I was like, oh, we are on rooftop with like city lights and everything. Wow.
The magic of the movies.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's amazing.
Oh, yeah.
Was great.
Yeah. You know, I spoke to, strangely enough, both of you in 2019, right after you had come out of individual career highs. It was gold for you and
Yeah.
Pataka for you. And then the world just kind of shut down around all of us. What does it do for two actors who have just kind of got the chaska of being on a good film set and acting? Like, what were these 2 years like for the two of you?
Okay, for me, like I had a lot of learnings.
You also had a lot of films. कैसे भी
I
करके
did.
आ गए.
I did. So,
I had a lot of learning and a bank of films which kept coming.
3 महीने में ये रिलीज कर दो. उसके अगले 3 महीने में ये
Next.
कर दो. शिद्दत 3 महीने हो गए, कर दो. नहीं, apart from that, I did have a lot of learnings. I think it was a reset button for a lot of us. Like earlier, my everything used to be my work. क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा था कि अगर मैं अपना घर बार छोड़ के आई हूँ, अलग शहर में रह रही हूँ, तो मैं सिर्फ काम करूँगी. And COVID happened, and you know, I went back to Delhi, and I realized that the only thing that I want is my family's well-being. I didn't think about movies at all. I didn't think about my work at all. जो मैं boast करती हूँ कि oh, I'm in love with my work and all of that. Mind में आया भी नहीं when my family came in front of me, and that made me think a lot. That made me I was actually writing it down, and I was like, what are actually my priorities? And then when things started to open up, I came back to Bombay. I realized that I needed to have a balanced life.
What about you? You were raring to go. Like you were like, I can't wait for Shiddat. I can't wait because after the high of gold, you want to keep going.
Yeah.
So what were these 2 years like for you?
No,
A lot of
absolutely.
T-series songs.
That is true, man. ये 2 सालों में 3 T series के गाने कर लिए मैंने.
मैंने बोला T-series की नई वीडियो में सनी है क्या?
सनी, हाँ, सनी है उसमें. तो that जब भी बीच में ऐसे लॉकडाउन खुला, शूटिंग स्टार्ट हुई, T series का गाना कर लिया और यही कर लो. But no, और ना
Practice भी हो रहा है ना?
प्रैक्टिस भी हो रही है ना, कैमरा के सामने जंग नहीं लगना चाहिए. You should always keep performing. The show must go on.
Yeah.
But yeah, apart from that, what she said, like a lot of there was a reset button. Although मुझे चाहिए नहीं था, तो मतलब it was ज़बरदस्ती मिला हुआ था ये. But first 15 days were like, what is happening? What is happening? अभी खुल जाएगी
और balcony में photo shoots चल रहे थे.
हाँ, टाइम पास चल रहा था. विक्की और मेरा किचन के अंदर कुछ चल रहा था. But when at night you were alone, in the room, and that's when I used to be like, what is happening? And I went through phases of a lot of denial, acceptance, and then got in touch with a lot of other things that I had left in my life. I started painting, I started writing stuff and everything, which I used to love doing, and somewhere I had lost touch because, like she said, ke काम यही करना जो था, because that gave me a lot of power to also. I decided that once when the world opens, the work resumes and everything, I'm gonna every opportunity I'm gonna be like yeah. So yes, a lot of priorities were set, but at the same time I became, I think, even more hungry about just stuff in general. Like everything. Today if I want to do something else, I will do that thing without thinking के यार ये कैसे होगा, क्यों होगा, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. Because I mean we know like what this thing did to us. Was life is so uncertain, man. It's like
It is. I was watching both our interviews to kind of draw parallels, and two things the both of you said was so in sync that it made me think कि वाह यार कुछ तो vibe है. One of them was that the both of you said that the mindset that you approached Bollywood was that if you want to work with a director, there would be no ego, there would be no shyness. You would pick up the phone, call them and tell them that you want to work with them and you wanted to audition with them.
Yeah.
What's the best thing that has come out of that mindset, and when has it been a complete flop?
I mean complete flop as in you didn't get something out of that many times.
Huh.
Yeah, obviously. I mean it's like
मतलब reply नहीं आएगा.
नहीं, reply नहीं यार, politely के नहीं, we're looking for something else.
तो flop नहीं है ना, at least you've reached out.
हाँ, at least हाँ, मतलब there's been a lot of times when you're not able to reach out also, which is completely fine. यार आज obviously तो तो सामने से आया नहीं है, that's a different story altogether. But one time that it has happened is Shiddat.
Oh.
Yeah.
You reached out?
Yeah, no, so what happened is I reached out to Dinu, and he was gracious enough, this was after Gold, he was gracious enough to grant me a meeting, and I really wanted to work in Maddock that time, which is why, you know, I was calling my managers also, I said, I really need to meet Dinu, you know, so, and I met him, and he was like, yeah, I mean, listen, you're a good actor, and I have something, but you need to meet Kunal. If he decides you fit the part, then you do the film. And I got out of the meeting saying कि oh my god ये क्या हो गया मतलब अभी तक मिली नहीं है, but still for a producer to say that कि हाँ I'm ready, you can do the part and everything. I met Kunal and then did auditions and everything, and then that was the process. But yeah, so it happened with Shiddat.
Well
Wow.
done. Well
Yeah.
done. What about you?
It happened with me. So it's funny because, so I had actually, I was at the office for Shiddat when I spotted Homi walking out of his cabin and where I begged him for Angrezi's audition. So I was actually doing Shiddat. Angrezi was never on the table.
Wow.
And then I spotted Homi and he was like, yeah babe, you're good. I saw Patakha, you're good babe. And I was like, yeah Homi, but I've heard that you're making Angrezi. And yeah babe, but looking for someone young, yeah. No, yeah. But great actor, huh? Great actor. मैंने केटी के पास ऐसा कही कि चलो अब मतलब पहली चीज उसने मेरी बेइज्जती कर दी कि मैं सब यंग एक्टर केटी मुझे देख रहा है शिद्दत के लिए
केडी सोच रहा है
यंग
should I be
मतलब होमी ने एक तीर से दो निशान मेरी ईगो तो गिराई और केटी आप स्क्रिप्ट लेके बोलो नरेट करूं या ना करूं
Well, you got both the films.
But yeah, I got both the films.
Yeah.
But of course, अब दूसरा इसका पहलू भी होता है कि जब आपको लगता है कि हे ऑडिशन और फिर ऑडिशन मिलता भी है, नहीं भी मिलता भी है और आप सबसे बकवास ऑडिशन करके आते हो और बोलता है कि told you नहीं है, तो but you need to be open to it. You need to know कि ये नहीं कि ऑडिशन मांग लिया तो मतलब तुम्हारी मूवी है. You need to be open to it कि भाई अगर नहीं वर्क करा तो नहीं वर्क करा.
correct?
Yeah. The other thing that the both of you said is that when I asked you about your first breaks, Meri Aashki Tumse Hai and Sunshine
Music tours and travel. See, you still can't say it.
Tried.
इसमें था
Tried. I asked him about that and I was like, why did you do it? And he's like, choice ही नहीं था. And you said the same thing where you were like, काम चाहिए था. There was no time to think then. Today when you sit, this is a cool as hell office.
Yeah.
It's really swanky.
Yeah.
When you sit in like Maddock and you have choice, there's a script like which you've done lying on the table here. When you think back, what was the hardest part about not having choice?
For me it was survival. I was paying my rent. मैं सबसे लड़के आई हूँ घर में कि एक स्टेबल लाइफ छोड़ के आई हूँ एंड सबको बोलती हूँ कि मैं करूँगी जी मूवीज में एक्टर बनना है मुझे एंड व्हाट इफ आई एम रॉन्ग व्हाट इफ मैंने जिन से लड़ाई करी है टेलीविजन छोड़कर पेरेंट्स को छोड़कर अपना सेफ करियर छोड़ के अगर मैं डांसर बन जाती तो व्हाट इफ आई एम रॉन्ग व्हाट इफ माय इंस्टिंक्ट इज रॉन्ग तो एट दैट टाइम यू टेंड टू फील कि इनसिक्योर भी नहीं मतलब समझ नहीं आता यू वांट टू बिलीव इन द पॉजिटिव्स यू डोंट हैव एन ऑप्शन बट टू बिकॉज अगर तुम इस जोन में चले गए देन तुम खड़े भी कैसे होगे ऑडिशन के लिए पता नहीं है तो यू हैव नो चॉइस बट टू बी पॉजिटिव एंड बी लाइक यू नो व्हाट आई एम गोना चूज स्क्रिप्ट्स you know what I'm going to be there people are going to love my craft when I enter I will enter and people are looking at you कि कहाँ से आई है ये टीवी भी करके आई है ना यहाँ से दिल्ली की है कोई कॉन्टैक्ट्स हैं इसके so yeah उस टाइम पे आपको करना होता है but now I feel that's the reason I feel really grateful every single day I feel so blessed I don't take it for granted not even a single day for granted you know sometimes when my day is super busy when I'm working 17-18 hours a day and I sleep for like 2-3 hours I sleep with a smile on my face because this is what I wanted and it's happening right now so I can't be like you know it's such a tough life I wanted this and I'm loving every bit of it
So cool. pretty cool. Yeah, sometimes when she talks, I'm actually in awe. Like I'm actually listening. Like
We need some silence after.
yeah, that was really cool to listen to that. That's great. मेरा
Question
यार
क्या था?
हाँ
याद है question?
हाँ, question याद है कि what was the toughest part of not,
having
having
choice.
a choice? Yes. Yeah, I think I didn't have that kind of survival issues because I mean mom and dad are from Bombay and I had a house and I didn't have to pay rent or कुछ ऐसा नहीं था. But I had the thing that कि what if I'm wrong? Because by then I was already 25, 26 and it had been a few years when I was giving auditions and everything and getting rejected left, right and center. Obviously I had to learn a lot in my craft. But that's exactly why I was like, you know, and then I was just like, at that point I started feeling के शायद ये नहीं हो मेरे लिए, but अंदर से आवाज़ आ रही थी कि नहीं बेटा तू यही कर सकता है, तो और कुछ नहीं कर सकता. Yeah, no, I didn't have anything. See, the good thing was ना, I didn't have anything to fall back on. And I'm still saying, if I had something to fall back on,
plan B.
Yeah,
Plan B.
I didn't have I cut off my plan B the day I decided I don't want to be a CA. And I dropped it, you know. And that time I was like full जोश में कि हाँ मैं तो हीरो बनूँगा, CA किसको करनी है. And then when these things came and I was like यार मतलब I'm going here and you know it was क्या हो रहा था कि yeah you're really good, top 3, top 2 and then nothing. Top 3, top 2, nothing. So it was like आ गया कुछ नहीं, आ गया कुछ नहीं. You know, all that was happening and I was really at the brink and I used to have breakdowns and everything. I was like कि भाई अभी, so which is why that when that movie came, when I read that movie I had really liked it on script and it had something in it. And the second was like yeah, I mean there's somebody who's ready to believe in me and you know is giving me this part. So I so said yes.
Yeah. You know, he has these quotes on his mirror to just like keep him going.
Not anymore.
Not anymore?
During lockdown, again, that was the change I went through when I realized that I need to change what I write. It's become redundant. So मैंने वो पूरा मिटा दिया. So now I'm writing different stuff, but yeah.
It's really cool. It's really cool.
You need to visit.
Sunny's place.
Yeah.
Yeah. Also, your family is very low-key, very calm se calm.
Yeah.
Then there was this storm of Vicky Katrina ka roka. Did you
Yeah.
have like dur ke rishtedar calling you and saying ki, why didn't you invite me? Like
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. Because everybody knew यार it's nothing, you know.
अच्छा.
So it's just and I think within a few hours they वो clarify भी कर दिया था यार this is and really we don't know how that whole thing started. We just woke up in the morning and there was this news and then everybody was like ये क्या है
New media.
आज यार कुछ ना खबर नहीं मिल रही.
रोका करते थे.
हाँ रोका करते
क्या
थे.
रोका करना है? आलिया रणवीर का तो विकी कटरीना.
तो ये वो वाला था. So नहीं किसी का ऐसे फोन कुछ नहीं आया.
नहीं? Okay. Good. So the Shanti was maintained
Yeah. Full.
in the house.
Yeah.
Okay, and now like I said, we shall attempt a table read from a film you shot in 2019?
2019 to 2020 and then lockdown happened.
I don't even.
No. I just want to know what is a table read like, because I just feel like it'll be cool for us to get an insight.
Yeah,
So,
definitely.
are you guys
Let's do it.
different as actors? Like method
Are we?
wise?
Yeah. We're very.
हैं?
Yeah.
Like
I'm saying, I feel our process and the way we approach something is very different. But when we are
Yeah.
there, we believe in that one thing कि अभी यहीं पे.
हाँ कि मतलब अगर इम्प्रोवाइज करना है तो करना है. ऐसा नहीं है कि सामने वाला बंदा बोलेगा कि मैंने इम्प्रोवाइज किया और कट केटी.
हाँ कि यार लाइन तो ये थी नहीं कैसे हो गया. वो नहीं है. We flow.
But how's the process different? Have you been
I
able
don't
to?
know.
What's your process? What did it say? We have never discussed.
Yeah,
our
actually we
process.
haven't discussed our process
Yeah.
ever. Yeah, mine is pretty simple. What I try to do. So I believe a lot in personal motivation and philosophy. So every human being in reality has a personal motivation and has a personal philosophy that drives them. So that's my inception for every character.
Okay.
That I need to find what motivates him. Not in every scene, but as a whole character, what motivates him in a time, what's his philosophy.
Okay. आपका science?
Pretty similar, but yeah. Like I really, it's the same कि internal से external आएगा. ये कभी-कभी उल्टा भी काम करता है. It's actually different for different projects. Like for Pataka, I started from external, and then I got into a core.
Yeah, that happened with Gold, because Gold was a very physical hockey.
Correct.
Yeah.
So with every project, it's different, but you need to understand that why the person is doing what they're doing. If you don't have a why, if you don't know कि क्या गूंज रहे हैं, क्यों ये लाइन एक बैरियर के साथ आ रही है या बैरियर के साथ नहीं आ रही है, वो बैरियर क्या है जो स्क्रिप्ट में नहीं है. मॉम डैड के साथ क्या रिलेशनशिप है, क्या वो स्टॉप कर रहा है कुछ करने से, क्या उसने कुछ देखा है पास में. सी वी नीड टू, आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एक्टर्स टू राइट और डिस्कस व्हाट्स नॉट इन द स्क्रिप्ट.
The world.
Also. We need to create that world so that when we're at that page or that chapter of our life, we know where we're coming from. And when this happens, we'll react in that way or we won't react in that way, and we can play around with that. So that internal world is very important. So it's kind of similar, I believe.
Yeah,
It's kind of the same.
See, you just needed to like trash it out.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Okay, come on.
Wow. Heads up, हम 2 साल बाद इसको देख रहे हैं, पढ़ भी नहीं रहे, देख रहे हैं.
I think it's really cool you guys are doing this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's
It'll
Okay,
be
let's see how
great to
much
revisit
we-
it actually.
Yeah, but I don't remember it fully. Huh?
Come on, Jaggi.
Kartika.
Come on, Kartika. आजा.
अच्छा context तो दे दो. What is the scene?
Okay, so ये मूवी लिंक स्पॉइल हो जाएगी क्या?
हो है क्या?
नहीं, so basically स्पॉइलर के बिना कोशिश करते देने की कि ये सीन इज sort of a confrontation between Jaggi and Kartika, where Jaggi is trying to.
हाँ, Jaggi has pleasantly surprised her. Let's just say that.
Oh, nice. That's a great one.
That's
Okay,
a
come.
great one.
Okay.
क्या चीज़ है यार? This can't figure you out. I thought it would be all शीशा और दिलो टाइप.
है, उस टाइप का बंदा तो मैं हो ही नहीं. ये रोने धोने से ना टाइम वेस्ट होता है. और हम पंजाबियों की ना यही खासियत है कि अंदर से भले ही हमटी डमटी हैड अ ग्रेट फॉल, बाहर से तो यम्मा यम्मा ही बजेगा. सुन लो कार्तिका,
क्या है?
शादी मत करना.
जग्गी, जग्गी,
क्या है?
बोर मत करना. और शादी तो यहाँ पे आने से पहले फिक्स थी ना. मुझे पता नहीं था तू मुझे यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. So stop thinking about it. It's okay. It's cool. So we can be friends.
फ्रेंड्स तो अपने मंगेतर को बनाना. आई तो लव यू.
शादी तो यहाँ पे आने से पहले फिक्स थी ना. We can be friends.
फ्रेंड्स तो अपने मंगेतर को बनाना. आई तो लव यू.
You don't love me. तू बस मेरी शादी की न्यूज़ सुन के शॉक में. I'll tell you. पहले तूने मुझे स्विमिंग पूल के पास देखा, राइट? मेरी फोटो खींची. That wasn't love. You also know that. Then तू फिर मेरी प्रैक्टिस पे आया. उस इंटेंशन से नहीं आया कि ओ मुझे प्यार हो गया. It just came कि चल मैं आ जाता हूँ. Then you helped me, which was really sweet. But that was a fellow sportsman thing. It wasn't love. So yeah, I respect case right here. It wasn't love.
देख मैं ना 100% श्योर हूँ कि हमारे बीच जो है ना वो प्यार है, मोहब्बत है, इश्क है, इश्क वाला लव. मैं एकदम क्रिस्टल क्लियर हूँ. हमारे बीच प्यार है, मोहब्बत है, इश्क वाला लव.
मैं 200% श्योर हूँ कि 2 महीने बाद जब कोई और लड़की आएगी तो उसको भी सेम डायलॉग मारा होगा कि मुझे तुमसे प्यार है, इश्क है, मोहब्बत है, इश्क वाला लव.
And scene.
I don't want to say cut.
Oh, this was fun.
It was fun. I like me improvise a lot. इसमें से आधी चीजें मूवी में नहीं है. हम एक दूसरे के पास प्ले कर रहे थे.
I love it. I love it. Wow.
You should have done that in the film. But it wasn't my character.
You should have done this, yeah.
I should have done it. No?
Yeah.
Fun.
That was my character.
And that was your character, so I was playing it cool. Ki, just stop it.
Yeah. It's
But
getting so
yeah.
touchy.
This was great fun, guys. I've never had the opportunity to kind of be in the room when you're reading. And you kind of just get the vibe. It's still very much there, the chemistry and everything. 2 years on. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Shiddat releases on 1st of October. Can't wait to see it.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
And I hope we get to chat really soon.
Yes.
Good luck.
Thank you. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Radhika Madan.
Hi, I'm Sunny Kaushal.
And?
And
I
and please keep
शुरू से कितना चला गए बिकॉज जब मैं राधिका मदान बोलती हूँ और सनी कौशल बोलते हैं तो मेरी लाइन आनी चाहिए तो इसकी वजह से एंड मैं चुप हो गई ना पॉकेट है
तू हाँ ले जैसे
हाँ
ले राधिका तू रहेगी तूने पहले तूने शुरू किया था
हो गया लेकिन बोलेगा तू फिर मैं इग्नोर बोल दूंगी कुछ
हाँ
ठीक है
बोल दूंगा
ओके
Action.
हाँ guys please okay rolling
such cool bloopers
Take 4 and
what do you
okay मैं बैठ जाती हूँ
भाई कॉल टू एक्शन में
भाई अपना रुक जाओ बोलेगा तू बकवास चीज़ ओके रेडी
हाँ
ओके हाय आई एम राधिका मदान
Hi, this is Sunny Kaushal.
एंड
Please keep watching this wonderful show with our wonderful, lovely Sneha.
Oof.
And don't spill your tea in reality. And please comment, share,
लाइक
subscribe.
शेयर सब्सक्राइब
Like also.
मैंने बोला तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब
Yes.
ओके प्लीज
comment.
लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब एंड
Comment. It works well with the YouTube algorithm.
yes only on Film Companion
Only on
yeah